basketball, but the
now, where's Dora's hair? That's it. No. Any more with Dora's hair? Where's Dora's legs? Oh, wait, what's that? Okay. Who are? No. What is that? That's a handy. Where's that? That's a hand, Emily. Where's that? Where does that hand go? Get that hand back. Now, where's that handy? There you go. Now, Dora's legs. Good girl. Now, whose tail is that? Toots. Okay. No, that's it. Oh, that's it? No, it's not. That's not right, Emily. We'll be later.
Well, Harry wishes he could have run on that close up. Let's take a quality at that moment. Look at that, it's teasing, it's tempting, it's saying go on, get on the end of it.
Not a shoe, good girl.
So much in the second half, deep in the midfield area.
Yeah.
Two quality finishes. City,
oh, maybe.
they're in a position now at Main Road of hanging on, just restricting themselves to the occasional break.
Oh no, that was right, wasn't it?
Well, a quiet Manchester United. Out by Pallister. That's fine, Mark. I really has good as free kicks in the air. I can't understand centre backs that do it, and players aren't going anywhere. Deep in their own half. Tiredness. Maybe, but it happens so often. All you're doing is encouraging more and more pressure on yourself.
That's it. No, no. And the other way. It's not going the other way. The way I had it forced. With this. Oh no, it doesn't. Sorry. I hasn't got a clue.
Back in 1947, they had the highest ever.
That's the one you had already, wasn't it?
28,000 here at Main Road. Well, it's on behalf of that these days. That's not totally full. The present capacity under 40,000.
Oh, good girl. I was watching the match. Now, where's Boots Eyes?
7 minutes to go.
That's Boots' other. Where's Boots' other eye?
All up for United if they can get to the ball. Captain are trying to do just that.
Good girl. Alright, what's next?
Phelan.
Okay. Yeah, what's next? Where's Boots' other eye? Loving it.
Sharp always the option on the outside. Still Sharp. Colonel's header.
Okay. Jeez.
Captain out there. Giggs. Just needed a bit of fine tuning that time.
Getting another piece. Good girl.
Getting close.
Yeah, it's not finished. Dora's finished alright, are you? Any more pieces? Yay! Give me a thumbs up! Go girl. Get a picture.
And go.
Indoor.
No,
Oh my god, Dora.